Today we're going to find the area of a shape, and remember our definition for area is the measurement of the inside of the shape. So we are going to find the area of this shape, and I have drawn it out so that I can see it. I have it's 12 feet tall by 37 feet long. Okay, so we need to figure out the middle part here, and I'm going to show you a strategy that hopefully will help you. So I know that 12 and 37 is going to be hard for me to multiply, and I know that multiplication is the operation I use to determine the area of a figure. So what I'm going to do is break it into pieces that are easier to work with. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 12, I'm going to break it into a 10 and a 2. I'm going to draw a little line. Okay, I'm also going to take the 37 and I'm going to break it into 2 pieces. So I'm thinking 30 and 7 would be good for me. And I know that 7 is going to be a smaller chunk of my rectangle than the 30. So I have just put those numbers there. Now, using my extended multiplication, I'm going to multiply these numbers together. I'm going to start with the 10. I'm going to multiply the 10 times the 30. So I know 1 times 3 is 3. And I'm going to use extended multiplication to add in the zeros that are left here in the 10 and the 30. So I need 2 zeros this time. So 10 times 30 is 300. Next, I'm going to do the 2. 2 times the 30. Well, I know 3 times 2 is 6. And using extended multiplication, I'm going to add in my 0. So that's 60. 30 times 2 is 60. Now I still have this 7 over here to worry with. So I need to make sure I multiply my 10 and my 2 times my 7 too. So I'm going to take 10 times 7. Well, I know that 1 times 7 is 7. And I know that we're using extended multiplication, I just need another 0. So 10 times 7 is 70. I have one more piece of my rectangle here to figure out. And I have a 2 and a 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So now I have all the pieces of the inside of my rectangle figured out. I have one more operation I'm going to have to perform in order to find out the total area. I'm going to need to add my 300 plus my 70 plus my 60 plus my 14. I'm going to put the paper down to do that. I'm going to write 300 plus 70 plus 60 plus 14. And I stacked it up. All right, so now my eyes are going to go down the column. Well, that's pretty easy. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. And I see a 7, a 6, and a 1. And I know 6 and 1 makes a 7, so that makes me a double. So I have 7 plus 7, that's 14. I'm going to carry my 1 to the next column. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the area of my shape is 444 feet. So today you have a problem very similar to mine that you are going to solve. You also have some math boxes to keep you sharp. And then if you want to come up with your own problem as a bonus, that's always okay. I hope you have a great day doing some math. I can't wait to see your progress.